The alternator on this is incredibly convenient, front and center. First thing you want to do is disconnect the negative battery cable. That'll be a 10 millimeter. Just set that aside. Now let's remove our serpentine belt. The tensioner is on this side. If you look right down here, that's our tensioner pulley. It's a 15 millimeter, and we want to turn it clockwise. There's a couple of options. You can use a long ratchet like I'm going to use with a little shallow socket, or they make belt removal tools. Honestly, a belt removal tool is a little easier. Because they're skinnier, they give you just a little more room to work with. But this will work, and we don't have to pull the belt completely out, just off of our alternator pulley, unless you're replacing the whole belt. That's up to you. All right, turn it clockwise. Pull the belt just off the alternator, just like that. We can let this rest. Now, because mine is long, it's gonna rest up against our AC line. That's okay, it can handle it. Now we're gonna disconnect our electrical. Right on top, we have this cap. Just pinch the two sides in, pull it up, slide this back. This nut is a 13 millimeter. Pull this cable off. Now this cable is why we disconnected the negative battery cable. If the battery's still hooked up, this is a live cable, but with the battery disconnected, we're okay. Now in the back, we have an electrical connector. Just pinch down, pull back. Might need two hands. There we go. And it's just this little pinch tab right here. Pinch it down, and it should pull out. That is it for our electrical. Let me show you where our bolts are. So in the front, we have that bolt right there, 15 millimeter. Come over to the other side, we have that bolt, 15 millimeter, and then come back just a little, we have this side bolt, 13 millimeter. Let's pull those out. Get our 15 millimeter here. And then we'll get this one. Finish it up with my electric ratchet. There's that one. And that one's a little longer. For the 13 mil, I'm gonna use a 6-inch extension just to give us a little more room. Break it loose. All right, our alternator is ready to come out. I like using a pry bar. We'll just get in it on the side. Let me show you where I have it. Just right in here, they give you a little spot. We'll pry up. And then over on this side, we're just gonna get in here, pry away. I'm gonna need two hands, so let me set you up. So now you know where I'm prying. I'm just gonna pry up over here. And then over here, and over here again. You're just kind of walking it off. Got it. That's it, we can pull it out. Now, this vehicle doesn't actually need a new alternator, so we're gonna reinstall our old one. But with your new one, just match it up with your old one, make sure they're the same, and we'll drop it in. Move our wiring out of the way. Get that front kind of located. There we go. We'll get our side 13 mil in first. Just wiggle it around till it goes in. Get some threads started. We're not gonna tighten it down, we're just gonna get those threads started. Now our front ones, there's a long one and a short one. Short one goes on this side by our hose. So we'll feed that in. Get some threads started on that. A longer one on this side. I'm gonna lift up just a little, there we go. Now we're gonna tighten the front first, then the side one. My manual says the torque spec is 29 foot-pounds. We'll do our front bolts first. And then our side bolt. Put our electrical on. Now this is 70 inch-pounds, which is about 6 foot-pounds. So not very much, just good and snug. You don't want to strip it out. Put this on till it clicks. Put our electrical connector on in the back till it snaps. And our belt is last. So we're just gonna pull up on our belt. So we have most of it right here, nice and tight. And we'll come to our tensioner, pull it clockwise, give us all that slack. That's it. Now for some reason your belt came off more pulleys, or you're opting to replace the whole belt, I'll throw the diagram on the screen for you. So you can pause it here real quick. And the last thing is hooking our battery back up. So we'll put this on, and we'll just snug it down. Just enough so our cable doesn't move, nice and tight, and we're done. Thanks for watching. I'll have links in the description for all the parts and tools needed. If you have any questions, comment, post down below. Work safe, have fun. See you on the next one.